How to reset progress for one language course on Falou. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can reset progress for one language course on Falou, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to go ahead and open up the Falou application after you've installed it on your device. So once the app is opened, you're brought to the home page automatically where you see all of your courses. And then by the lowest part of the screen, you can see three icons, namely courses, words, progress. So all you need to do is to click on progress. And then you must note that on this progress, you'll see all of your on the progress tab, you'll see all of the progress you've made thus far, the words you've spoken, the language you've practiced, and all of that. And then for you to be able to reset progress for any language course on Falou, you would have to subscribe to the Falou Premium. And then how do you subscribe to the Falou Premium? On the progress page, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see your language logo. For me, I'm currently learning French. That is why it is showing me Paris logo. But for you, it could be any other logo depending on the language that you're learning. So once you click on that logo, you'll be taken to another page where you'd see speak 22 languages with confidence, etc. Select yes, use all courses, and then you'll be brought to another page where you can see get unlimited access to Falou Premium. So click on continue, and then once you've done that, you'll be directed on how you can subscribe to Falou Premium. And after your Falou Premium, your progress on this particular language that you're learning will be recorded there, and then you also have the opportunity to reset your progress. But for the free version, you have no choice. You cannot reset your progress here. So if you want to reset your progress, ensure you upgrade to the paid version of Falou and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.